We're not white, we're not black, we're Americans. And if I may take that one step further, we're not just Americans, we're all children of God. Made equally important and loved in the eyes of God. And so there's a lot of hurt feelings going on, and there's a lot of anger, and there's a lot of tension. But God says, blessed be the peacemaker. He said, how lovely is it that we dwell together in unity. And when there's unity, he will command his blessing there. And so I want us to say, God, don't give us ears that have been offended. Don't give us angry ears. Don't give us hearts that have been hardened. But give us hearts that understand we battle not with flesh and blood, but we battle with principalities and rulers in darkness. And that's why he's given us the ability to bind the devil. And I pray today that there is a move that will sweep America and the world, that the devil will be bound and God will be glorified. Father, in the name of Jesus, Father, as always, but today we dedicate this service to you. We dedicate our lives and our hearts and our minds. And Father, I pray that if we've done anything and for everything we have done in America, you forgive us of our sin and come and heal our land.